Alright, I've got my wood marked. An appropriate V right at 20. Just need a 20-foot board. Got electrical all plugged in. I've even got a pretty nice little saw. The only thing I could think of that I'm missing, besides the bag that's supposed to be right there, it broke a long time ago. What would it be? What would it be? Oh yeah, a dust catcher. Kona, ready? Kona, you ready? Alright. Let's see if we got it marked. Doing all the safety appropriate things by using two hands. Got my mark. Alright, Kona, you set? No, not the camera. Ready? Ready? No, don't lick it. That will lose a tongue. Come here. Good boy.